that is 20%. So that means the judges will take a look at the totality and overall personality of the children. So they have to be legal. We also have intellect, or the casual interview, which will be done later, which will comprise 25% of the total criteria. And then another 25% goes to the talent. We also have royal attire for 20%. And of course, the last 10% is the most important thing of all, which is the audience impact. So yan. Diyan na natin kailangan si mami, daddy, tito, tita. Yan. Si teacher din, papalakpak. Si teacher May. Teacher, dapat lahat ha, papalakpakan mo. Okay, again, let's practice nga tayo. Practice. Busy sila sa pagpapalit ng damit. Okay, so